Dear students, today we are going to discuss about fourth chapter. What is the lesson name? Growing up as boys and girls. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about how the girls or boys are going to born and what are the problems they are facing and what is the difference, what is the gender difference and what how we are giving the importance to the gender and what is the gender inequalities and how these gender inequalities are trends, gender inequality trends in India, and why the people are the boys and girls are facing the problems in the society and what are the problems they are facing and what is the nutritious food and what they are required. Okay, these all things we are going to discuss in this lesson. So what is our lesson? Our lesson is a growing up as boys and girls. Introduction. Being a boy or a girl is an important part of one's identity. The society we grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior is acceptable for girls and boys, what boys and girls can or cannot to do in the society. So where we are living in the society. So in the society there are some mm, and there are some behavior and how we have to behave with other people and what is our responsibilities and what is our duties and what is the duties of the girls and what are the duties of the boys and as a part of the boy or as a part of the girl in the society and how we have to behave with others and what is our culture and what is our traditions we have to follow. These all are the very important, these all are the plays a very important and key role in the society. As a boy what we have to do and what things we have to do, and as a girl what things the girls have to do. Okay, these all are the we learn through by watching the society or watching the elders, and also our elders means our grandfather and grandmother. Those all will teach us what to do and what not to do. Boys what the duties of the boys and what the duties of the girls. And nowadays the scenario was changed. So boys and girls are combinedly they are doing the work, they are sharing the work themselves, they are sharing the work in the family also, they are sharing the works. Okay, and in olden days these all are not there, this sharing work is not there. Boys have to do only outside of the works, outside works of the house, and girls and women have to do only inside of the house, inside household works. That is the scenario, but nowadays the scenario was changed. Okay, boys. So in this a boy is a young male human, usually a child. When he becomes an adult, he is described as a man. Generally, boys are seen as superior than girls. In the past, men could go for work, could study. They used to discriminate girls. So what happened in the past? What we are talking about the past in the olden days, many years ago. Okay, and many years ago what we can see that in the society boys and men played a key role, and also in the society also given importance to the males and boys to do all the works outside of the works. Okay, at the boys when we call the boys as a young human being, as a boy is a one of the age up to 10 years or 12 years or 15 years we can call he is a boy. After that we can call it as a man or a adult. In the adult age we call it as he is a man. Okay, same like in generally boys are seen as superior than girls. So in the all the works see that boys are behave like a superior than the girls, and the girls also they feel that they have some fear towards the boys, and they are not speak with the boys, and in the house also, in the home also, the parents also control the voice of the girls, and the boys have to speak loudly and girls have to speak very slowly and very low voice. The tone of the voice is low. They have to teach in the family, the elders have teached. So same like that they practiced here. The boys feel that they are the superior than the girls, but here when we see nowadays it is not, no one is superior than any other person. If what is our credibility and what is our knowledge and our behavior knows that what we are, either it is a boy or a girl, nobody is superior than anyone. Okay. And in the past, in the olden days, the boy in the family also, the elders they give an importance to the boy child, and they discriminated in all the issues. They discriminated the girl child in all the matters, and girls have to only stay only at the home. They doesn't go to outside of the home, and they have to do only household works, and they should not give reply, and they should not shout on others, and mainly on the males, or a father or a mother, on a brother also, and younger brother also, they should not shout. Girls should not shout. These all restrictions are there. So that's what the girl child, the boy child behaves. He is a superior than the girls. See here, girls. A, a girl is a young female human, usually a child. So, who can call? We are the girls. How we can call? These are the girls. A young female woman, usually called as a child. When she becomes an adult, she is described as a woman. So after the girls become the adult, after the girls become some stage, some certain stage of the age, in certain stage of the age they reached, we can call it as a woman. Okay. And girls are seen lower than the boys. In the past they cannot go to schools, cannot go for job, they had to always be in their homes. When the girls become to the age of 15 years, they would have to marry. So what happened in the olden days, in the past days, the girl child have to stay only at the home, and the girls have fear that the girls are feel that they are the lower than the boys, in the boys, and they cannot in the family members also, they are not given education to the girl child, and they discriminated the girl child education. And also some of the in the society there are many restrictions are there on the many restrictions imposed on the women or girls cannot or should not go to the schools, and cannot go to the job, and they should not do any other outside of the jobs, and they have to do only household works, and always the women or girls have to stay only at the home. They have to do only household works, means like take care of their family and take care of uh, their children and the elders, so those who are there in the homes, and they have to only do the cooking and washing the clothes and washing the dishes. These are only the works of the women. The society was imposed, those are only their activities. Okay. And what happened in the olden days, in the past days, the women and girls should not go out of the home, and they should not allowed to do the jobs. Okay. And the present day scenario was different, and present day the scenario was changed a lot, and men's are boys and girls are equally treating as a equally, and boy girl child or boy child all are sending to the schools and colleges, and giving the education, equal education, and also in the even in the jobs also, giving the reservation to the girls and women's, okay, and allowing the girls also do the jobs along with the boys. There is no discrimination nowadays. It is depends on our knowledge, depends on the knowledge, and girls and boys, they can do any jobs along with the boys, along with the men's also, in each and every department. Women's and women's also allowed to do the job, any job, depend on their capability of the knowledge, and what knowledge the job is required, what is the knowledge required to for the job. Okay, depends on that, women's also do jobs. See here, discrimination between boys and girls. So in the olden days, in our past days, when we are also at the our childhood also, we also saw many restrictions they imposed on the girls and girl child, and many discriminations between the boys and girls. So in this we can see that what are the discrimination between boys and girls. Discrimination based on a gender is a common civil right violation. Discrimination on the basis of gender takes many forms, including and unequal pay for women who do the same jobs as men. Women were killed in the past because the parents could not bear to give money to the bridegroom. People never know the actual power of a female. They always had a negative thinking about girls. So here in the past, in the olden days, if you see the scenario, the behavior of the society, and what is the behavior of the society on the girls and the women, they impose many discrimination imposed on the girls, and they are not allowed to the girls to do the outside jobs, and discriminated in gender basis also, based on the gender also they discriminated in the at the homes also, in the family also, they are not giving the proper food to the girl child, and but for the boy child only they given proper care and proper food to that boys in the family, and they are not given importance to the girls. This is the gender discrimination we can see in the past days, in olden days. And present day also we can see some of the discriminations, and in the workplaces, the women and men are doing equal job in some of the departments. Nowadays also they are not paying the equal wages to the men's and women's at the same job, those who are doing men and women equally, but in that wages are not getting equal, women are not getting equal wages along with the men's. This is the one of the discrimination we can see commonly in the society for some of the works. And in the workplaces, and women's were killed because their parents only they killed their woman, girl child or a woman. Why? Because of the family, the position of the family, they are not where to give the bribe to the bridegroom, or money to the bridegroom. Okay, so because of that, the parents only killed their child, and they are not given importance to the birth of the girl child because of giving the bribe to the bridegroom. And people never know actual power. Presently we don't know the what is the actual power of the woman is also the one of equal, they can do the equally, they can do jobs with the men, and they are not they should not feel that they are weaker than the boys. Biologically, somehow, biologically there are some differences between the boys and girls and men and women, but the capability of the woman is not lower than the men. Okay, both are equal, men's and women's are equal in the society. And mainly in the past, in the olden days, the people in the society, they imposed negative thinking about the girls. So because of that negative thinking, the parents in the society, they are not encourage the girl child to do all those works. Okay, this negative thinking is one of the main discrimination of the girls. How can we prevent discrimination? So how can we prevent the discrimination on the girls? We can take a small steps to prevent discrimination. What are that steps? The government are taking steps to prevent discrimination, like decreasing money in government school for girls. Girls can even start refusing to give money to the bridegroom. Girls need increase their voice for equality. We all girls must protest for our rights. So here, according to our constitution, Indian constitution, boys or girls are equal. They do have a same fundamental rights and fundamental duties, and all are equally distributed to the boys or girls. In the some of the places, they are government also giving the reservation, and the government also encouraging the girl child education, and like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and these Telangana state government also giving some of the incentives and some of the schemes they are giving for the girl child, and free girl child education in some of the all the institutions. They are giving the some of they are giving the reservation for the special reservation for the women and girl child education, and girls and for the girls they are establishing separate schools for the girls. Okay, and all these incentives and giving the governments. And also not only this is not only the government responsibility. Our society in the family and society also have to think that boys and girls are equal in all the ways, and we have to give the same importance to the boys and along with the girls. Okay, and all are equal before law. Okay, and all our constitution is giving the equal rights and equal duties and equal responsibilities to the boys and girls and women and men's. And we should not encourage, as a person, as a human being, so we should not encourage the gender inequalities. Gender, it is only the based on the boys and girls, and we should not based on the gender, we should not discriminate the girls.